Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Wednesday, May the 27th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. It is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our trading room. The room is open Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm live on the mic and share my screen. In the email you're getting, you'll still see a promo code for 25% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. And the good thing is that if you do take out, say, a standard monthly subscription to try us out at that 25%, if you want to upgrade, say, to a standard, to a premium, or from a monthly to an annual, if you do it within 30 days, we'll honor the promo code. All right, guys, well, I'm in a trade right now, so I'm going to keep an eye on it. This STNE, I'm in this one. This is actually an earnings play, and I was waiting for this break. I took the trade just before I started this. I think it was right at 33.30. The 200-day moving average is at 34.06, so I wanted to see how well it held the 200-day moving average. So I'm in this trade right now. If I'm going to get out of it, I'll be pausing the video and getting out of the trade, but let's just see how well it moves. The STNE has still has a fair amount of room. If you look at it on the weekly chart, look at the room looking left. It's an awful looking weekly chart in terms of the choppiness, the topping tails and bottoming tails. But all I'm looking at is that right there. And in fact, it's starting to drop a little bit. I basically wanted to hold on to it as long as it didn't take out the 200-day moving average, which is 34.06. So I just have to keep an eye on it. I have it on another monitor, so we'll take it from there. LL was a trade that I got into a couple of times, and it's still working okay. I got into it right here at 1915 the first time, and I got out at 1923. I just didn't like the way it was trading. And then I got back in on that candle right here at 1928, and I have sold some up here at 1950. This is Lumber Liquidator. Has a little bit of room. If you look at the weekly chart on it, again, very choppy, but I thought, okay, maybe 10 I think is really going to stall it. But on a percentage basis, if I could get something to move from 930 to 960, that's fine for me. And on, something like that on a percentage basis. So we'll see what happens. And that's a great looking candle now for it. The SPY has been kind of funny today. It's been a funny day trading. Not so much the SPY, so much as like the Dow was up. The SPY now is back up. It was a little bit low, but tech was just clobbered this morning. So we had a real divergence in the market. Tech was up. Okay, I'm just seeing the LL is popping up. Tech was way down, whereas the SPY was a little bit up and the Dow was up quite a bit. So big divergence in the market. It was a bit of a challenge. We saw a lot of stocks that gapped up to begin with. I take a look at some of the airlines were looking really good at the beginning. This is pre-market. And then, look at this. I mean, in fact, I was short this one. I actually did get short this one, made a little bit of money on it. Unfortunately, I didn't hold all the way down here. But look what it did. I mean, it came right back up, right back up to 1184. I'm sure most of the airlines are looking like that. CCL, I just picked one cruiser. This is typical of what's been happening. You get these airlines and the cruise ships. They're all looking really good in the pre-market. Market opens and just, no go at all. So I find these very difficult to trade. I mean, there's no rhyme or reason for, the market has been up, and I guess everybody's hoping that we can get back to some semblance of normality, and maybe these cruisers and of course the airlines will come back, but they just don't want to hold their gains, not yet anyway. And that's about it. I just want to get back into the room. So a very choppy day I found. Very, very, very choppy day. And let me just see, the Lumber Liquidators, yes, looking good. That's a great candle, and a lot of people are in the trading room are looking at this one, are in this one also. So that turned out to be a very nice looking trade. And jury's still out for me on the STNE. It's right around here. I'm in at 34.30. So I'd like to see this hold and maybe a nice pop up. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room. So bring back the capture program. And if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is a link for the free room. And again, you'll see a promo code for 25% off the first month only, or the entire year. I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.